Hey guys, Good Canadian Sports Podcast here. Got Popeyes. Got the ghost pepper chicken wings. Now I never had this before, but first time trying this. Here we go.
So how is it, Dove?
Oh,
Is it spicy? Must be.
A little warm?
oh, freak!
Do you want something to drink?
Yeah, milk. Did I ask for ranch dressing?
Didn't you ask for what?
I did.
What?
I asked for some ranch dressing.
Let me pour you some milk here, Dove. That's only your first one.
Good?
Oh, guys, I can't even speak. It's oh,
You definitely take some milk.
oh. Oh my.
Do you like it?
I warned you.
Oh,
Can you talk yet?
I'm sorry, guys. This is. Sorry if I'm not talking. It's. Oh. It's really. This is just my first.
You must like it because you're still eating it.
Honestly, guys, and this is the first time I actually had ghost pepper chicken wings. And I tell you, oh, they're spicy.
Whatever you do, don't rub your face with your fingers.
Now, this is my second. Oh,
They're actually really good.
oh yeah. But the ghost pepper is not the hottest pepper out there right now in the world. Come on, drink it. It's the spiciest pepper in the world.
Yeah, I'd get these again. They're good.
I would too.
I didn't think you'd do it.
Oh,
Maybe he's determined he would.
this is my last one. I'm surprised I'm not even sweating yet.
No.
You're
Pretty
starting
close.
to get a little bit of a sheen.
It's a fashion when you got clothes.
Uh-huh. But you also got your beard too.
Yeah, I'm starting to sweat, guys, but not much.
You gotta lay down. Lay down.
I'm surprised you didn't get a mix of spicy and regular.
I thought about it, but closing time if I was getting the sides. Yeah, I'll just go for mild.
Oh, guys, I'm sorry. I'm not telling you. My mouth is on fire.
Drink some milk.
Hell, you did all three.
Uh-huh.
Way to go.
Good for you, bud.
When I get these again, I want to do all 6. But my friend Kevin said I'm going to be paying the price for tomorrow. But anyway, guys, this is it for the video. Hope you guys enjoy it and got a kick out of my reaction. And ghost pepper chicken wings from Popeyes. I would recommend it for my viewers to go get it if you guys have Popeyes near in your city or town. If you can, please like, leave a comment, subscribe, press that notification bell, and I promise you that the next Ink Show season, Ink Show season 2021, I'll do the podcast, and like I said, I promise. Don't worry, I'm still keeping that promise. But until then, see you guys later.